Hey, it's Miss Olina. Welcome to online ESL lessons. Today's lesson is pronouns. We are going to learn all about personal pronouns, how to use them, and how to find out which word in the sentence is a pronoun. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. It takes the place of a noun. Let's have a look at these words. She is a pronoun. Girl, Anna, sister, dress. These words are nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Here is a picture of a girl reading a book. Let's say the girl's name is Amy. So the sentence is Amy reads a book. Now let's change the sentence so it includes a pronoun. She reads a book. She is the pronoun. It is a word that takes the place of the noun, which is the name Amy. She replaced the word Amy. Please pause the video and copy the sentences in your books. Anna is a girl. She has a doll. She is a happy little girl. Please pause the video and copy the sentences in your books. Here is a picture of a boy who is writing in his exercise book. Let's say this boy's name is Alex. So the sentence is Alex writes in his exercise book. Now let's change the sentence so it includes a pronoun. So the new sentence would be he writes in his exercise book. He is the pronoun. The word I is a pronoun too. We use pronouns all the time. I am a boy. I speak Japanese. I am from Japan. What about you? Where are you from? Pause the video and write the sentences down in your books. The pronoun it. We use the pronoun it to refer to things, animals, and other things or objects. It is a bird. The bird sings. It can sing. Please pause the video and copy the sentences in your books. Here is another example. It is a frog. The frog jumps. It can jump. Please pause the video and copy the sentences in your books. You is a pronoun. When you see your mom and you want to compliment her on how lovely she is, you can say, "You are the best mom in the world." Let's read the sentences together. You are my mom. You love me. You are the best mom. Or you are the best. We use the pronoun you when we talk about one person or many people. For example, look at this picture. How many children can you see? 3. Chris, Amy, and Sarah are my friends. So if you want to tell them that they are your friends, you will say you are my friends. You are playing. You are happy. You are my friends. Pause the video and copy the sentences in your book. Let's look at this picture. My sister and I go to school. So we are going to replace two words with one single pronoun, we. It's a plural pronoun, we. We go to school. We are good friends. Pause the video and copy the sentences in your books. Anna and Mark are friends. Now let's try replacing two nouns, Anna and Mark, with a pronoun. Our new sentence would be they are friends. They are good friends. So the word they is a pronoun because it's replacing the nouns Anna and Mark. They are playing a game. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again. We need to be careful not to use pronouns too often. So instead of saying they, we can use other words such as the children, a boy and a girl, Anna and Mark. So we do not want to repeat the same words all the time. Okay, let's have a look at this picture. The girl has two dresses. The girl likes her dresses. Can you replace the word girl with a pronoun? Yes. So the answer will be the girl has two dresses, and the second sentence, she likes her dresses. So we are not repeating the same words over and over again. And this is your last exercise. This is a test. You have to finish the story about Alex and copy it in your book.